In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Life360. So first of all, download this app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And from there, go ahead and click on the app in here. And then as you can see, we need to click on Get Started at the bottom. And if you already have an account, you need to click on Sign In. But I do not have an account yet, so I'm just going to click on Get Started. And in here, you need to fill in your phone number. And after you've done that, you need to click on Continue. So I'm going to fill in my phone number and then I'm going to click on Continue. After you've done that, you need to add your email to your account. So fill this in and then click on Continue. And after you've filled in the verification code, you need to fill in your first name and your last name. And after, click on Continue again. So now you need to fill in your birthday. And if you are under 13, you need an adult with you to create your account. So I'm going to fill this in and then again, click on Continue. And after you have done that, you will be able to click on Continue in this screen. And then you can create or join your circle. So let's click on Continue. And I do not have a circle to join, so I'm just going to click on create a new circle at the bottom, and then that will give me a code to share. So let's click on this, and now we can give our circle a name, and then we can click on continue. After that, you will see a code of the circle, and you can copy this or send this to people that you want to add to the circle. And after you have done that, you can click on continue, and then in the next step, you need to describe your role in this circle. So just fill in what your role is. So I'm going to click on friend. And then we can add a photo to the circle to make it easier to recognize. So let's go ahead and add a photo. After you have filled in the photo, click on continue. Life360 needs some permissions to work properly. So that includes location services, push notifications, motion sensors, and Bluetooth. And I'm just going to click on allow permissions at the bottom. Select allow while using app. And let's do that in here. And you also need to allow Life360 to use your location also when you're not using the app. Otherwise, other people cannot see your location. So change this to always allow. And after that, you also need to allow notifications. So click on allow again. And then click on allow for the motion activity. And now you can also add places your family visits often, like home and school. So you can just go ahead and click on continue. After you have added your home, you can just click on add another place or just click on I'm done adding places. So I'm going to click on this. So just like that, we have set up our Life360 completely. And now you know exactly what you need to do to get started with this app. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.